Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to download the official file for Windows 11 version 25H2. So Microsoft is now offering the ISO file to perform a clean installation or an in-place upgrade of version 25H2. However, remember this is not the final version, instead this is the latest preview. The final version of the ISO will be available once the feature update launches sometime in September or October. Okay, first open the web browser and then go to this website. Then make sure that you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Then at the bottom of the page, we're going to find the select section. And from here, we're going to select the latest preview of Windows 11 version 25H2, which right now is build 26200. Then just click confirm. Now select the installation language. Click confirm. And now we're just going to click the 64-bit download button. Now click the Save As button and select the location where you want to save the ISO file and click the Save button. And basically, those are the steps. Now, if you want to create a bootable USB, now open a new tab and go to this website. Scroll down and then we're going to download the latest version for the Rufus tool. And then we're going to save this to the computer. Now, note that the download is about 7 gigabytes. So at this time, connect a USB with at least 8 gigabytes of storage or more to your computer. And make sure to back up any data on that drive because creating a USB bootable media will erase everything on that particular drive. Now, let's open the location where you save the files and then right click the Rufus tool and select the Run as Administrator option. Now, select the USB drive that you want to use to create the bootable media. Click the Select button. Select the ISO file for Windows 11 version 25H2 and click the Open button. Now, in here, use all the default settings. You can change the label. I'm just going to name it Windows 11 25H2 USB and then just click the Start button. Now, if you are preparing a USB to install the operating system on a Windows 11 compatible computer, clear all these options and just click the OK button. However, if you're planning to install this version of the operating system on unsupported hardware, make sure to check this option. And then if you want to create a local account, select this option. And if you're selecting the option to skip the Microsoft account, you can also use the option to automatically create that local account. You just need to specify the name of that account. However, remember that using this option, the computer will not have a password. So after installation of Windows, make sure to set a password. Now, usually it's not recommended, but if for some reason you want to disable BitLocker from turning on automatically during the setup, you can check that option right here. Now, I'll be creating a USB for a compatible computer, so I'm just going to clear these options and then just click the OK button. Click Yes, confirm that everything on that USB drive is going to be deleted and click OK. And now the Rufus tool will proceed to create the bootable media that you can use to install version 25H2 on another computer, or if you're trying to upgrade an older version of the operating system to the latest one. And that's it. Those are the steps that you have to use to get the ISO file for version 25H2. And I also show you how to use that ISO file to create a bootable media to perform a clean installation or an upgrade of the operating system. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be using this method. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.